What's going on, everyone? We are joined here today with our wonderful, legendary guest, Purple.
How you guys doing today?
How are you?
Pretty good.
He has been traveling around from Texas to California to Oregon to visit his family. Now he's back and he made something for us, specifically for us right now, and I think it's gonna be pretty fire.
You ready to check it out?
From far away, this looks like an ordinary ramp. But let's go and take a closer look. Oh, let's. There we go. There we go. Have you ever seen a more fire ramp? So this right here is a tube that you have connected to a propane tank, and it is basically like a stove top
Pretty much.
of a quarter pipe that we can light on fire and then skateboard on. Coping is fire. Our idea here was, let's set up this ramp, let's make it look so, well, literally actually the coping is basically on fire, and then let's go get the Braille team and surprise them and show them this wonderful creation, and maybe move somewhere where there's not as much wind. And what gave you this idea?
You guys had the lava floor, we might as well make fire coping.
Yeah. And you know what he did say when we were talking about this is that we have the ring of fire. Usually we have to wrap it in cloth and soak it in kerosene and light it on fire. He was saying that he can just build it exactly like this, so there's a constant propane flow and then flames would just constantly come out of it.
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
They don't have to keep relighting.
Purple, was this a propane to build? This video is all gas, no brake. Let's ramp this video up. So if you look ahead, we see a nice innocent looking quarter pipe with an even more innocent man behind. There's no lighter in his hand.
Oh my god. Oh no.
This is fire.
Literally. Oh my. Yo.
Come on, bro. It's time to bring the heat.
I'm so scared. Dude, I'm not gonna get burned.
Oh! He's right into it. Oh! Oh my!
Why didn't y'all say there was a hook on it?
Why is this force on fire?
That was sick. I don't know if I want to try that though.
Dang, JD, that was so good. You put out the flame. kids these days.
That was amazing.
You did not tell me the propane tank was right there.
What's wrong with the propane tank being
Fire
right there?
propane tank, this is a big explosion waiting to happen.
No, that's safe.
That's insane. Oh! I am the fire god!
Decide to go for the run. It's the fire. It's the fire. Decide to go for the run. It's the fire. It's the fire.
You just stood right on it.
I know.
How's it feel?
I wish the quarter pipe was bigger.
Hey Nigel, you want Big Bertha on the top of the ramp. You won't do it! Big Bertha! Yeah. Woo! You put the flame out on that one. This mini ramp may have an open flame, but it doesn't give the spark in my eye like you do.
If that wasn't so cute, I'd probably punch you right now. Give me a hug.
Get away from me. Dang! All right, let's get a 720, JD. Purple,
Man.
thank you so much.
Oh yeah,
This creation right here,
good times.
I want you to name it.
Oh, I can't do that right now.
No?
Let's let the viewers name it.
You heard the man. You decide what is the name of this incredible creation. Leave it in those comments below. Definitely check out Purple on his social media and YouTube channel. That will also be down there. And there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And as you saw today, skateboarding is all about having fun. So if you're not having fun, go get a skateboard, learn how to skate.